And there we go. So that's the first timer done. Let me just immediately do that. Okay, there's 10 people in the stream already. Wow. The update's not coming for like another 30 minutes. I'm going to be setting up the second timer for us. And I'm just going to be playing some Minecraft in the background, just so we have some gameplay going on. Just that display capture. Yep, there we go. Now I just moved that under the browser source, and there we go. We now have a timer for when the update should come out. It should be out once the swing hits 0. So, let's just see if that's gonna work. Yep, it works. Okay, it indeed works. So, let's just go for some pit, I guess. I'm also gonna have another person joining us on the stream in just a bit. They're a bit busy right now, but they're going to be joining us while we're doing our little overview. We're just going to be looking at what's actually in the update. Hopefully it's a big one this time around. The last time we had like some fog changes, we had some clouds, we had some cool stuff. But hopefully this update can bring us some actual more meaningful changes. So I'll just take a look at that. Okay. Well, let's just get on with it. I'm gonna add my desktop audio, and let's just play a bit of disasters, honestly. There we go, disasters. It's a pretty new Hypixel game mode. We're just gonna be playing a bit of that until the timer hits 0. I probably should add some background music to the stream. Yeah, I'll do that in a second. Okay. Let's see what we end up getting this time around. The updates have been pretty small ever since the Pale Garden thing. There's like almost nothing in these Minecraft updates. But maybe that can all change today. Sinkhole grounded. Ah, that's an annoying combination. I need to be able to hear everything around me now. Jumping is still disabled. A sinkhole? Oh. That should be fine. Yeah, that should be fine. That should be fine. I can deal with that. I can't. Wait, what? You can get on this leaf. Okay. Only if you go at it with an angle. Of course. That makes sense. What about this one? Oh. Looks for any block that you walk up. While going down at an angle? That's a weird one. Okay. Jumping has been re-enabled. Okay. Here we go. Let's get further away from this sinkhole. That thing is like basically right under us. It is a looming threat. Lightning half health. Ooh. That's unfortunate. This is very loud. The snapshot should release when the timer hits 0. Ooh. Get inside the house. Oop. Okay, someone up there got hit. Oh, there's a lot of explosions going on. That lightning is fierce. Damn. Oop. Purge meteor shower. Okay. Oop. Oop. What? Oh, there's a player on me! No! Get out of there! Ooh. That was a clip right there. that is the usual time for Snapshot releases. The Snapshots release at around the same time, either today or tomorrow. And so we're either going to have a Snapshot today, once the timer ends, or we're going to have a Snapshot tomorrow. Also, I'm turning that down. That is very, very loud. That is very, very loud. Okay. Next game. That's just a pretty fun game mode. It's already lost like half its player base after one update, but it's fine. It's fine. It works as a game mode. Okay, what's gonna happen? What's the disaster for this thing? Lightning and bull rain. Okay. Of course, it's lightning. The lightning can't really get here. The anvils can't really get here. I'm pretty safe right now. If anything, I should probably just go down. I'll just go down. Oh. Okay. That was just a ledge. Okay. Just didn't notice. What's it gonna be? Flood? Meteor shower. Okay. Being in the middle of a building should be fine. What? Oh, I can't get into the thing. What? I got rid of their boat. Okay. Why not? What's the situation like up here? There's a bit of fire over there, but there's nothing really intense yet. Yeah, there's a hole in that wall. I don't want to risk it with a meteor shower hitting me. Was that an explosion right there? Yep. Yes, there was. Okay. All the chests are closed. More explosions. The explosions are getting closer. Yeah, if Max does flood, we're gonna be in a bit of trouble. Purge acid rain. Oh, I am low. Is it gonna shoot? Lightning. Got him. I'm now super low. But that was just enough to end Purge. I should be good to survive for another 15 seconds. And there we go. That's another victory. Well, the first victory, actually. But yeah, that went pretty well. After this one, I'm gonna switch the game to something else, maybe like Skywars or something. Not that I'm good at that, but, you know, need to have some variety in the games. We also should have another person joining at some point, so see when that happens. Oh, that's useful. Dragons. Ah, someone got it. Dragon swappage? This can be an opportunity. As long as the dragon doesn't ram me. Did I get him? Yes. Yes, I got him. Hello. You're on stream.
Hello. 15 minutes. Yeah. 15 minutes until we have the big reveal. Well, actually, I don't always say 15 minutes because it's actually 20 minutes. But
yeah, it's 15 minutes when we start reloading everything. Because it can be like 4 to 5 minutes early or late. So. Yeah.
Actually, it's more like 1 minute. But yeah, I guess.
Sometimes we had a one that released at like 57.
We got one that will be released next week. So
today or tomorrow. Could be.
Do
you think we're gonna be getting a Bedrock update as well?
Yeah, it's the next day.
Okay.
That's probably why it's on Monday. Tuesday. Sorry. The Bedrock one's on the Wednesday. But it takes so long to get approved in these app stores. It looks like Wednesday, probably or something. I don't know. So I have done my to work. Well, now we'll be looking into the updates, upcoming update. We'll check Minecraft social medias to make sure that no little sneak peeks are coming.
Whoa!
If there is.
I got knocked in the wood. I'm pretty sure the Snapshot will have bare minimum. It'll have the bare minimum again. You're probably not wrong. Honestly, you're probably not wrong.
The bare minimum is 1 bug fix. We had one with 10. We were close.
Yeah, we were pretty close. I'll just run a few Skywars.
Yeah, if you want.
The mini Skywars, yes.
Of course.
Okay. What are the kits? Oh, what? Magician.
Ooh.
Okay, that
scary.
Cool.
Okay. Let's go ahead and check this TikTok. Minecraft. I'll be stupid if they did this last time. Oh gosh, they're all mixed up together, all there. Jizza. Popular. Latest, not latest. Let's take a... I'm just gonna mute my quote. Okay, I'll just mute my PC while I click on this video. Copyright.
So just go sharpens, yeah. There's the armor.
Okay.
Except you don't get any armor. Well, not any armor, but you don't get any weapons.
There's Roblox is better. Literally, Minecraft. No, nothing new on TikTok when it comes to Minecraft. Doop, doop.
Oh, what? There was something behind me as well? Oh, just wait.
Minecraft.
No.
Yeah,
stay away. Stay away. I'm so dead. I got him! Yo! I actually won. Okay. You harvested 4 souls. Okay.
Ooh.
Well, that is my second solo win.
I don't know, there's something which has been uploaded on Minecraft, I guess. The Minecraft.
I got very unlucky.
Almost 1 day ago. Like 23 hours ago. That's literally.
I don't remember if this one was fixable. Okay. Well, I'll just. Well, can I just go into resource packs and add a resource pack? Will that just reload?
Like, day one memories. Day one memories of Minecraft.
Okay, it doesn't work. Nice. I have to restart the game. No problem.
What was that? What the hell's on the stream right now?
Yeah, this
Okay.
that just happened to my Minecraft, so I had to turn off my display capture.
The only thing I can see is this Minecraft post here. What we'll have to do though? Why?
I'll just be restarting the game. Actually, is it even worth restarting the game at this point? We have
Oh
10
yeah.
minutes left.
Well.
Should I
Yeah,
restart
but
the game or should I start reloading?
oh, you can play while I do that. That's kind of my only job here. Okay.
This is probably gonna be like the last snapshot in this update. So, you know, it better be good. It better be good.
Definitely, yeah. Because the update has to release on the 20th of June, if they want to make this a summer draw, of course. So you need to have. Hold up. What no, we can have one more snapshot. Oh.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Also, what's on stream right now?
Is it working? Okay, there we go. Yeah. I don't have to do display capture anymore. Yo. I can use game capture for now. I'll have to display capture once we're actually in the snapshot phase, but, you know, for now, good. So,
right.
just some more Sky Wars.
One snapshot. Two. We need one release candidate, I believe.
We need to do pretty good. We need to do pretty good.
Because it's one release candidate 1.2, release candidate 1.2 pre-release. So we need a pre-release. That will be 20th. That's the update. So pre-release will be on June 6th. Why Friday though?
Well, since this is a new thing, it could the update can just come out in August.
On August. That is not a summer job.
Well, it is. It's still in summer.
No, that's not how they do it though. It's the first week of the new season.
Everything is different now. They completely changed how they do the drops. They didn't change anything.
That's the new thing.
They've never done a summer drop with this new thing, have they?
They did the winter drop. That's the new thing. Now the summer drop will be the summer drop. And also every single big update was before the Mojang holiday thing. Which is also summer. So August, hell no, definitely not.
Ooh, I got wrecked.
1.21. Because in some cases, some updates like 1.21.2, we have a pre-release today. So it really depends.
There's a chance we have a pre-release, which basically just means the update's done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's it. You can know this easily by just basically having nothing in the update. Also, how does a nothing snapshot looks like already? I just need a quick refresher on how these things look like.
Just look at the previous snapshot.
Yeah, like this one. It changes. Wool textures has been tweaked to remove this thing. Blocks, yeah, that thing. So just tweaks. Now, what's the difference between tweaks and bug fixes? I don't know, but whatever. I guess if you want. Same thing, just it's not called bug fixes.
Wow.
Technical changes. With skeletons. Oh. Yeah, it's
now above the timer. Okay, there goes 6 minutes left on the timer.
It's above the I didn't even notice. Okay.
Imagine like it's already out. Everyone's already covered it. It's already like the biggest snapshot in Minecraft history. It's possible.
I don't know why you pull that one off because no.
It can happen. They can just they can just choose to release it randomly as well.
Yeah, of course.
It got released like last week, right after the previous snapshot. Oh. That would be funny though.
Yeah. No.
Ooh, what? Why do I not have low on fire?
Well, Minecraft says the spring to life update game drop comes today. The summer drop updates come in June. That's literally a quote from the.
Okay.
If that's not enough smack face on you, I don't know what's the. I don't know what's a better thing than that. No, but it's a bit obvious. I don't know how. Now why can it not be 1.22 then? That's my bit confused because that means it's the first update to not have 1.22 on half of the year. 1.21, 1.21.
Well, it's a tiny update, I guess. I don't think they care though.
Yeah, the
like when you look at the creaking, like the pale garden thing, that was big enough, I'd say, for a major version. Maybe.
The 1.20 update. Wait, what? Are these only snapshots? What came out in 1.20 then?
That's the thing. I don't know. All the updates became tiny around that time.
It's a camel. Oh, so there was quite a few blocks. So that was all the pottery shirts and piglin heads and stuff. Okay, 1.21. Okay, potions. We had the trial ruins. But what is the difference between 1.21 and 1.20.6?
No, I cannot find that.
What? Wolf variants.
I would have gotten him if I had a bit more health. Let's check this out. There's like a stable 5 people in here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hello, everyone. Yeah. In every single new major update, there was a new structure. What the hell?
I guess you count the trial ruins or whatever those are.
Oh yeah, 1.18 doesn't exist. 1.17.
How does 1.18 not exist?
It was the part 2 of the cave thingy.
Well, so far, not gonna lie, everything's been seeming like a part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the wild update.
Yeah, well...
We've had no new updates. It's all snapshots for the wild update.
If they figure out a way to get mod developers on the Mojang team, now they'll see a quick difference. But like, for now, we can wait for that to even happen. So, 1.15 was the Buzzy Bees update, the most controversial shit ever. Of course, after the PvP update, but that's basically the same thing.
This the things people want a PvP update. We either need an end update or a PvP update.
Well, seeing by what our, let's just say, very happy Minecraft YouTuber, the W guy, apparently he did a both thingy. What's your most controversial Minecraft opinion? Minecraft maybe was great with 23%, meaning you don't actually need an end update with 11% means it's higher. The Phantom is okay with 56% or something else. 10%.
The Phantom ain't okay, bro.
Literally. So yeah, I guess the Buzzy Beast update is the closest thing to the Happy Ghast update. That's correct.
I'll have a Buzzy Beast then. And I'll be making plenty of videos about that.
1.20. Yeah, 1.22 is off. It's 1.21.
Champion. Armor. Let's go armor.
Yeah, it's basically happy Buzzy Bees or whatever. Happy Ghast.
Happy Ghasty.
Happy Ghast. Buzzy Bees. Oh, that stuff is hellish to say, but yeah, I guess Happy Ghast doesn't make sense. But it was called Ghastly Summer after all.
Yeah. We always knew it was gonna be quite the spectacle to see.
Yeah, it was quite a dry update.
It's almost
Yeah,
like it's almost like the updates have been dehydrated, bro. I think we need to like put a water bucket down in Mojang's videos and we'll get better updates.
He'll get waterlogged watching. Okay.
Oh, did you get a response about your cake thing?
Oh, yeah. I stopped looking at that because apparently, the Pride Cape. I don't know if it's Pride Cape the issue. Not enough people have the cape, or that just doesn't seem like a thing they want to. Are they just allowed to not answer back at you? I guess, even with an automated message.
I guess. They're still allowed to ignore you.
I guess. Well, no, nothing new. Yeah, no, nothing. I don't know. It's the Pride. I can just go ahead and just set the Pride Cape real quick. Pride Cape. No new capes. But the issue with that cape is it was region locked, so I don't know how they can make that possible for Java. For Bedrock,
Well, technically all the Minecon capes were region locked to the Minecon venue.
No, the thing is, like, some countries don't allow Pride to be shown in games. So the Pride cape is not shown in some countries. So that's for Bedrock. Now for Java, that might just be too complicated, and if this cape is too bad, they probably don't want to try to do it anyways. They need to code something to make it not show in some specific regions, which is too complicated. So. Yeah.
I think like one mod developer can knock that out in like maybe a day. Maybe.
Oh yeah, now of course, but it's companies. You need to know about companies for a minute, then you'll realize
it's out.
Oh yeah.
Someone in the comments says it's out. Let me just check.
How is it out?
Well, it's the timer. The timer's down.
Oh, yeah.
Let's just go ahead and switch over to our other.
It's not.
There we go. And let's start refreshing. New desktop.
How is it?
There we go.
No,
it's just the timer. It's just the timer's out.
What, are you putting like words in people's mouths?
No, they said it's out, but that's because of the timer.
Well, why not about the update? The update is out. What's the difference? It's the same wording.
There we go. Okay, it's not out yet. We're just gonna be refreshing that for the next 3 minutes.
And BW.exe crashed. Okay, anyway, so 25w20a. Okay. Well. The Minecraft preview.
This one's better to refresh. 25w19a. We click on this, and we replace the 19 with a 20.
What was the day on the May 7th?
Oh,
no, this might be...
What? There's a new music disc. Patch notes are out.
What the hell? Oh well.
Patch notes are out.
Okay, so let's check this.
Wait, removing saddles? Wait, what?
The hell?
Maybe. Oh, hold up. There's actually a decent amount of changes. There's music and sound, realm changes. Okay. There's actual changes in this update.
New music tracks. Okay. Saddles, crafting saddles. You can craft whole saddles. Recipe unlocks when a player picks up its first letter. Removing saddles and equipment. Saddles, horse armor can now be removed from the mob using shears.
Does the snapshot show up for you?
No.
Okay. That was a good call, I guess.
Okay, so new feature. I did a new music disc with the track Tears. Okay, so updated the main screen panorama. The update is finished.
Woo!
The update is finished. Yes, it is. Yeah, because when you update the main screen panorama, it means
it's out. Play. The latest Snapshot 25w20a. It's on the launcher now. That was reloading.
Should I make a video for you to upload on your channel, just the music disc itself? People did this and go.
Sure. Yeah, sure. Go for it.
Now how the hell do I get? Oh yeah, I just download the.
That's gonna have a copyright claim.
Of course, yeah, you don't get strikes, please. Alrighty, let's get.
Oh, there's actually a reason to do this now. Okay, I just pull this on the side. This. Oh no, the panorama. That's a happy.
Oh, what the hell no! What the hell? Fuck me, bro. Hell no! I'm out, bro. Oh, no.
There's four of them. There's four of them.
What? No. What the? What? No. Oh no. I am not touching up. Oh hell. I'm moving to Roblox. I'm done, bro. I'm done. Hell.
Damn. You really hate the happy guest.
What? What?
The panorama was good, guys. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, new music disc tiers. Okay, let's start with that. Jukebox.
What?
Tiers. Oh, what the? It's white. Okay.
Gas tiers. Oh no.
Let me enable.
Oh, I am not using this. No, hell no. I'm not playing that update.
What?
What? Is it doing anything?
Are you listening?
The fuck? What the fuck? Is this an April Fool's update? What? What?
Okay, next. New music tracks. There's multiple new music tracks, actually.
Okay.
Hold up. Flash play sound. Is that ambient? Is that considered ambient? Or music? Is that just a thing? Music? Yeah, dog. Hello. Game? No, okay, whatever. There are new tracks. There's a new disc. Go look at the video that's gonna release. Okay, saddle updates. Crafting saddles. Saddles can now be crafted with 3 leather and 1 iron ingot. So, let's just go over to saddles. Oh, that's a saddle. So, I need a lever.
Well, I have the music on.
Iron ingot.
I don't know if you upload this thing or not. Can't find the user to get start. Boot
And just record Minecraft.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the crafting recipe for a saddle.
Oh, there's one. There's way more. There's like 20 of these things. There's 20 happy guests on the panorama. What the no?
Okay, so as you can see, that's that. Now if I take a harness, as you can see, there's a bunch of harnesses here for the happy guests. The best change to ever come to Minecraft. Next, loot table changes. Some loot tables have had saddles removed from them and replaced with 1 to 5 leather. Raw. Okay.
Minecraft Game Drop 2. Well, here's his new release. Now I'll just go ahead and just download that.
The gas now drops the Tears music disc when killed by a fireball deflecting by a player. The fix to a Minecraft bug has been partially reverted. Decorative hanging entities such as paintings and item frames are now immune to explosions from submerged TNT, while items and armor stands are once again vulnerable to them. There's a video that came out about this literally like a day ago. Okay. Updates to music and sound, yes. Rain and thunder weather is somewhat less foggy. Aww. Rain fog affects interiors less. Okay. Saddles are now craftable and can be crafted. Yeah, that's that. Some loot tables, yep. The dry gas block no longer breaks if water flows into it. Hopefully not.
I have all the songs downloaded, by the way.
Well, time to make all of those. Music and sound. Music now plays even when the game is paused. Add an option to the music and sound setting that allows players to change how frequently music plays while in game world. Add an option to the music and sound settings that enables a music toast to be shown whenever a song starts playing. What? Excuse me, what does that mean? Music toast. Okay. Constant. There's a constant music option.
Oof. Okay.
At the realms load, go to the realms loading screen.
I'm just confused.
Oh, it shows. Ooh, hey, that's useful. That's useful. Look.
What?
This is what the toast thing is. Oh, I still have the timer blocking it.
Yeah, it's hidden by the timer.
What timer? Okay.
What timer?
Yeah, there we go. That's useful. That's useful for the showcases. The command syntax report now contains information about required permission level. Okay? The data pack version is now 77, and the resource pack version is now 61. Okay. Time to update my pack. Okay, well, that's the update.
Whoa, there's so much things to do now.
Yeah, there's a lot of videos to make about this. A lot.
Yeah, well, at least there you go. Are you happy with your new update?
Yeah, it's fine. It's foggier. It looks better. The fog's fixed. You know, it's fine. It's fine. It's not the bare minimum. You know, Mojang actually surprised me with maybe the weirdest music disc ever, but they didn't surprise me. Anyways.
Well, I have all the 6 music. Oh my gosh. But there's so much things to this update as well. Isn't it not other things as well?
There are other things, yes, but they're more video-focused things, so I have to stop making my video. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more Snapshot coverage, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
See ya.
Okay, let me just turn off this.